Okay, so we've got the jack underneath in the center point supporting. Jack stands on each side. Now we remove the wheels. So we just used the hammer to pull out the hub. Here's what's left. We just took out the retaining clip. That little thing came out, and this bearing came out. And now we just have to remove the other side, the last retaining clip. Okay, so that's the bearing out. You have the cup, the little vacuum plate. Without the housing, because everything got separated in the process. So we got the new hub on. The axle nut, we used the old one because the new ones didn't work. We got the clips in there. Now we have the rotor, brakes, and speed sensor back installed. There we go. That's the bearing and wheel hub replacement.